What's up guys, this is Tony and you're watching the Capped Malayali. So today we are going to see a silicone case that I bought for my phone, and I just found this online and thought that this is really cool and want to check it out. So this is Instagram handle, and they provide really cool funky cases and normal colors also. So let's unbox and see how that looks. As you see, this is something really funky and cool, and I wanted to try this out. And this is for my iPhone 10s, and it's available for every iPhone. I think from 6s it's available, and it is known as Case Mark, and their Instagram handle is also mentioned there. So if you want a case like this or a simple colors also, they have it on their Instagram handle, and you can check it out. And when if you want to buy this, then you can definitely DM them on Instagram, or they have also given their WhatsApp there. There are different colors like this is some kind of a rainbow color. They have normal silicone cases that you find on Apple website, and let's see how the case looks inside. As you see, they have a premium fiber cloth that is placed inside the cover. So I didn't expect this, because this is only available in premium cases, and it is really soft that you won't get your back of the phone scratched, or it won't be damaged. It's also mentioned that it is iPhone, and everything that is available on your original iPhone case or Apple case, they have just replicated it in a more premium way with a cheaper price. I will mention the price at the end, but this is a really cool thing, and they have also provided a protection for the camera also, so your camera also won't be scratched when you put it inside this cover. And if you touch this, you will definitely know that this is a premium silicone case, and they have provided, like, they have actually replicated everything that is on the original Apple case, which is priced around 3000 to 4000 rupees for the normal silicone case, where this you can readily get this within 2 to 3 days. They courier all over India, and there are many other colors also, and they have provided the 3D buttons that is available in the original Apple case, exactly similar to that. And this is the lock button, and this is the this is the lock button, and this is the volume up and down. They have also given provision for the mute and unmute button, and at the bottom you can see that they have provided proper space for the speakers and the power output, the place where you input your charger. They have exactly similar. There is no precision mistakes. It is exactly precise, and when you place your iPhone inside this, it will look exactly like a premium case that you bought from the Apple original site. So if you are in search of a premium silicone case for your iPhone, any model you want, you can directly go to their Instagram page and DM them. I will definitely put their Instagram handle in the description. You can check it out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like the video, share the video, and click the bell icon for more notifications. You have to pay 400 rupees for this, which is way cheaper than the original Apple case. and the procedure is like you have to DM them, you have to send them money. Yeah, first you have to select your case, your model, you have to send them your proper address with pin code, you have to send them money through GPay. It depends on the location that you are in. They deliver all over India, and once that the courier is sent, you will get the tracking ID with which you can track your courier. I got it through DTDC, and I got it within 2 days. So this is really genuine, and you can definitely check them out if you want. So that's it for today, guys. See you guys on the next video. Capt Malayali signing off.